CBSE Class 9 Math Extra Practice question. This question is from the chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. It's a very interesting question. How many solutions of the equation 3x plus 5 equals 2x plus 8 are there on the number line on the Cartesian plane? So same equation, we'll have to say how many solutions are there if we plot it on the number line. How many solutions will it have if we plot it on the xy plane or the Cartesian plane? Let's simplify the given equation. Let's take this x terms to one side, 2x to the left hand side and the constants to one side, 5 to the right hand side. So what we'll get is 3x minus 2x. This is equal to 8 minus 5. 3x minus 2x is an x. X equals 3 is a simplified version of the given equation. Let's check out what happens. What does this x equals 3 on the number line? What does it represent? Here's a number line for us. This is 0, negative direction. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 can go all the way down to minus infinity. Positive direction 1, 2, 3, 4 can go all the way up to plus infinity. X equals 3 is a point on the number line. So x equals 3, how many solutions does it have on the number line? It represents one single point. So it's got only one solution on the number line. So first part of the question, how many solutions does this equation have on the number line? The answer is 1. Second part, how many solutions will it have on the Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane is an xy plane. So anything that we talk on the xy plane needs to have an x and a y, whether it's an equation, whether it's a coordinates of a point. So it needs to have both those components. We see an equation which contains only an x in it. So let's rewrite this equation to include a y. So this can be written as 1 times x plus 0 times y is equal to 3. Because 0 into anything is a 0. So this equation finally boils down to x equals 3. Now this 1x plus 0y, any ax plus by equals c, represents a straight line. Let's check out what straight line does this equation represent in the Cartesian plane. So let's draw an xy plane. X-axis positive direction, x-axis negative direction, y-axis positive direction, y-axis negative direction. 1x plus 0y equals 3. The coefficient of y is a 0. Such a line will be parallel to y-axis. And it should carry a value of x to be equal to 3. So it's going to pass through the point 3, 0. So this is x equals 3. It's a line parallel to y-axis. So let's draw a line parallel to y-axis passing through this point x equals 3. Coordinates of this point will actually be 3, 0. Because on the y-axis, on the x-axis, the y coordinate is always a 0. So 3, 0 is a point on this line. Let's just verify whether it satisfies it. Yes, 1 times 3 plus 0 times 0 is equal to a 3. So this point lies on it. Let's call this line to be an AB. Will every point on this line be a solution to this equation? It should, right? If this is the equation of the line, any point on the line, the coordinates of the point will be a solution to the equation. Let's just pick a couple of ones and verify it. Let's pick a point above the x-axis. X coordinate is still going to be a 3. Any line parallel to the y-axis, the x coordinate is going to remain the same. So x coordinate is a 3. Let's say the y coordinate is equal to 4. Plug it into 1x plus 0y. So it's 1 times 3 plus 0 times 4. This will be a 3. Certainly yes. Let's look at a point below the x-axis. Say something like 3, minus 6. So it's 1 times 3 plus 0 times minus 6. This is also a 3. So it's quite evident that it's not just one point. It's not just 3, 0, 3, 4, 3, minus 6, 3, 2.8, 3, root 43. It doesn't matter what the y value is. Every point on this line, the coordinates of that point will satisfy the equation of this line. So how many solutions will this equation have? This equation is going to have infinite solutions on the Cartesian plane. On the number line, it's got one solution. It represents a single point. On the Cartesian plane, it represents infinite solution. All of those solutions are coordinates of point that lie on this line AB. Quickly summarize it in a printed form. Simplifying this equation as x equals 3. On the number line, it just represents one point. So it's got only one solution. On the Cartesian plane, it needs to contain x and y because it's an xy plane. So rewriting this x equals 3 has 1x plus 0y equals 3. 1x plus 0y equals 3 has to be the equation of a line. Has to be the equation of a line that's parallel to y-axis because the coefficient of y is a 0. Now it's a line parallel to the y-axis whose x value is equal to 3. That line is represented by our AB in this Cartesian plane. Any point on this line, including 3, 0, all the way up to 3, plus infinity and 3, minus infinity. All of those points, coordinates of those points will be solutions to this equation. So how many solutions does it have on the Cartesian plane? It's got infinite solutions on the Cartesian plane. Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, register at online.mathstute.com to get started with your CBSE Class 9 online math tuition. It takes all of 3 steps and less than 5 minutes to get started with your CBSE Class 9 online math tuition. Second, I want you to subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/mathstute, and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay motivated.